Now over here, I'm going to show you the plugin that you can use to update your website. You can use it to back up your website, your WordPress website. So you just a single click, go to your plugin, say add plugin, click on add plugins. You're going to take it to your plugin environment. So you want to here you can type in your plugin. Right, this is a free plugin. Do it have a premium version. You call Updrift. Click on Updrift on your keyboard. All right, that's the name of the app. On draft. So once you do that, now it's going to load up. So here's the plugin. Now this plugin is going to, we are going to use it to back up your website. You can back your website whereby you can re-upload it to another server. All right, you can say backup, restore, or migrate to your WordPress website to another host or domain. Schedule backup. And there are a lot of things you can do. As you can see, I need to update this particular site. All right, I'm going to be updating this site, as you can see. So I will just, because I already have it installed, I'll go over to my Updrift and I'm going to click on Updrift. I'll click on Updrift, then I'm going to scroll down. So when you scroll down, you see that the backup, where it said the button where it's supposed to put backup, the button is currently showing not showing blue. It's supposed to be showing blue to show that you can actually back up. The reason why it's not showing is because we have already back up this website. So if not, it's supposed to show blue. All right, so this is the last time we back up our website. That was on the May, right? So that was the last time we back up our website. So over here, let me zoom that in so that you can see. All right, it said download most recently modified log. As you can see, there is no update on this website. The last time we back it up, we have not done anything on this website, so there's no updates to back up on this website. You can see it said upload backup files. Over here, you can upload your backup files in case you want to re-upload them. Here you can rescan local folder for new backup. In case you want to rescan, you have a new backup. Here you can rescan remote storage. All right, so currently now we don't have any of these. Now if you back up using Updrift, you have option to back it up to your email. That means you go to your Google Drive, you can save it there, and then you can always make use of it. Just in case anything happens to your website, you go back to your Google Drive and just re-download it back. Then you upload it to your website. Then you are good to go, just like that. Very easy. All right, so it's that very simple. As you can see, it's a backup. Click to download your backup. We currently do not have any backup. We currently cannot back up this website because we have already backed it up already. If not, this button you are seeing here is supposed to be showing blue. That means the reason why it's not showing blue because we don't have anything to back up currently. So that's how you back up your website.